Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a very exciting video. Today I am unboxing some PR free products that I've received from Garnier. So I am very, very grateful to Garnier and L'Oreal who sent me this product. Very, very grateful to be in a position where brands are sending me products for free. When I first started my channel 10 years ago, I think it took about 6 months before I had emails offering free products, and it was really basic things like a light up mirror, products on Amazon, and you know, I thought that was amazing back then. But for the last year, I would say like 6 months to a year, I've been very lucky to receive emails from bigger brands offering to send me free products. And I'm not going to talk about those free products and brands today because this video is solely on Garnier. I am so grateful and thankful to Garnier and L'Oreal to receive this box. Now, I had an email from Garnier inviting me to take part in their Garnier Green Room. So I'm going to open this product and read what it says. Obviously, I've looked inside. So it says, the Garnier Green Room. It says, welcome to the Garnier Green Room. You are now set with your getting ready must-haves. We hope you enjoy all of your goodies. We would love to see any content you make in the Garnier Green Room on socials. Please share, blah, blah, blah. So I had an email saying you've been selected to take part in the Garnier Green Room. And then you fill out your details and they send you a link and you get to pick 6 products from the Garnier website that you would like for free in your box. Now, when I was picking some stuff, obviously a lot of stuff was sold out, but all the products that I picked are products that I would use and that I love. So this is the box that it came in. So it's a pretty big box. Let's look inside. So this is what is inside. These are the products that I picked. So let's go through them. So if you know me, you know my channel, you know I love a good face mask. This is the Garnier Moisture Bomb Sheet Mask. This is the Super Hydrating Replumping Sheet Mask. I've used this many, many times, repurchased this many times. This is such a good product. I love it. So I had to pick this one. And again, had to pick another sheet mask. This is actually one of my favorite sheet masks ever. This is the Garnier Vitamin C Brightening and Glow Boosting Serum Mask. Very good for dull, tired, dry skin. This does the complete opposite. So it brightens, hydrates, wakes up your skin, revitalizes your skin. It's just stunning. This is a stunning mask and it smells amazing too. I love this product. Then I picked up this Garnier Ombre Soleil Over Makeup SPF. Everyone has been raving about this and I haven't even tried it. So it's SPF 50. Basically you put your makeup on. Now when you put your makeup on in the morning, you put an SPF on, don't you? But like SPF only lasts a few hours. So you need to top that up, but you can't because you got your makeup on. This is an over makeup SPF. So you put your makeup on with your SPF in the morning, then maybe like after lunch or later on in the afternoon, you need a top up. You just spray this on top of your makeup. It doesn't ruin your makeup. It doesn't look white or damage your makeup in any way. This is supposed to be amazing. And it gives you that SPF 50 high factor coverage. I'm just so excited to try this in the summer. I was so excited that this was still available because I was actually wanting to try this. And I love the fact it's SPF 50. You need that for your face. It also says it's suitable for under makeup too, but obviously I'm gonna use it over makeup, so that's really cool. Then I ended up receiving this, even though I didn't pick this, but they obviously must have sold out of the thing I picked. I picked a sunscreen that is a bronzing sun cream, so it enhances your tan. It's like a milky spray, like, you know, like a spray sun cream that you rub in, but it enhances your tan. They obviously didn't have any of that left. So they've sent me this, which is actually a fake tan. Now, I don't use fake tan at the moment, but I have used it in the past, and I'm sure that I'll use it in the future. If not, I can gift this to someone in my family. This is the Garnier Ombre Soleil Ideal Bronze Mist Face and Body Tan. It also has SPF 30. It says uniform and glowing tan, invisible on all skin tones. Quick dry, water resistant. Actually, I don't even know what this is. Maybe this is a sun cream. Maybe this is a spray sun cream. It says uniform and glowing tan though. I'm not really sure what that is. If anybody knows what that is and they can let me know in the comments, that would be great. I'd love your help on that one. Thank you. But yeah, I don't know if that's a tan or if that's a sun cream with a tan in. I'm not sure. But I got sent that one too. Very grateful, thank you. Then there's a bit of a theme of sun cream going on, but I like to protect myself from the sun. So this is the Garnier Ombre Soleil Invisible Protect High Protection Dry Sun Cream Mist in SPF 30. It also has aloe vera. I love aloe vera in the summertime, anytime really when my skin is dry, but also when I have burnt skin from the sun, aloe vera is amazing. So this is just basically a spray sun cream. Now we like to go to Florida and places like that, and obviously like you're queuing for rides and things like that, and sometimes you don't want to spray like the liquidy sun cream or the thick sun cream, and then you're rubbing it on your skin and then your hands are dirty and you're in the middle of a queue line and you're like, oh, I want to wash my hands. This is just a spray, like a mist, and it tops up your sun cream. So these are perfect. We use these all the time in Florida and places like that, and they're just perfect to fit in your bag, and you can just top up your sun cream, and it's really quick and easy for everyone to do. It's SPF 32, which is amazing, and it's invisible too. So you know how some sun creams like ruin your white t-shirts and your black t-shirts? This isn't going to do that because it's invisible. So I love this one too. Last product that I picked up is these hair grips, and they have the Garnier logo on them. So we have 4 pink hair grips just to put my hair back when I'm doing my makeup. And that was the last product in the box. The box is now empty. It just has this green tissue in it. But yeah, I had all of those products sent to me by Garnier to talk about on my channel completely for free, and I'm so grateful. So thank you so much, Garnier and L'Oreal, for sending those products to me, and I am so thrilled. I can't even tell you how thrilled I was to get this email and to pick my products and then for it to arrive in the post. I am so grateful and so thankful. So thank you so much, Garnier, for sending this to me. I am so grateful, and I'm so excited to try out all my products. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys today. I'm so excited about it. So yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already, so you can see all my other videos. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.